Today on Stuff Chat we explore this camera, the name of which I can't even make out because they stuck so many stickers everywhere. Alright, let's just remove this top. It says mini life camera. There's some schematics of it. A leaflet which I assume is the operating instructions. And a boxy which I'm once again assuming is having all the accessories. Oh no, it's just a chain. A chain so you can hang it around your neck or something. Right, let's see the camera. There it is. It says 2.0 megapixels. Smart camera. And another sticker on it. Let's just see. Oh, there's a model number. It says Life Camera Model is at S130. Okay, let's just take the sticker off. And there is what does that look like? A speaker? I think so. Or the microphone might also be in there because I don't see another microphone hole. Or is this the microphone hole? Might just be the reset. These are the up and down buttons. Alright, let's see if we can turn it on. There goes, oh, you'll need a TF card. Let's get one quickly. Okay, got a TF card. And let's shove it right in there. Okay, there's of course your USB charging port. Now, where is the power on? That looks like left and right. Is this the power on? Let's hold it. But now this thing might need charging before it works. Oh no, it works immediately. There we are. Oh, you know what I see? This camera is supposed to be used like this. There's the camera mode icon and the battery power. Okay, so it's for like making shorts and TikTok videos and such and such. Let's just see, how do we switch to video mode? I'm holding this button. Doesn't do anything. Oh, these are just color filters that these things always have. Don't know how many people actually use that. But if you want to, then you can use that. Let's hold this one. What does that do? Doesn't switch to video mode. Okay, I'm afraid we might actually have to consult the user manual, which I dread because have you seen the size of how this is printed? Because this is printed so insanely, uselessly small. If I hold this really close to the lens, can we make out what it says? You know what? It seems we might actually need an actual microscope for this. Let's just see if we can manage with this magnifying glass. Okay, I think I found the English. It is this one. In standby photo mode, press the up button to switch to video recording mode. Okay. Okay, let's try that. We're now in photo mode. Up button is that up button. Press it. Ah, yeah. Now you can see there in the corner we have what looks to be a film camera. How do we film something? Do we film it there? Yeah, now it's recording with this power button. Yeah, this just seems like the lens is very tightly close to stuff. It's really not a wide angle lens. So I'm not sure how well it's gonna work for selfies. But let's try anyway. Okay, recording is here on the side if you hold the camera upright like this. Oh yeah, no, you see. Look at that. I can barely fit my face into it when I stretch my arm out as far as I can. Hello! Yeah! No, this is definitely not a selfie camera. All you can do is record shorts in the upright or vertical format, yeah. No, I'm afraid this lens is impossibly zoomed in already as it is. I don't see how this camera is gonna be of any use to me. But alright, I will take some test footage outside and I'll post the test footage for you to see. If you wanna know how this mini life camera is in terms of quality. What was the model number again? Model S130. Yeah. Alright, please hit like, subscribe, and I'm gonna go film some test footage and I'll post it right here. Hello! Yeah! No, this is definitely not a selfie camera. All you can do is record shorts in the upright or vertical format, yeah. We're now filming some stuff indoors, but in the vertical format. It seems that's how this camera was supposed to be used. There you can see the computer screen, also very close up on it. Yeah. Let's just do some horizontal formatted stuff. But okay, no, I don't know, it's so tight on everything, so zoomed in and close up. And yeah, as I showed you, you cannot use this for selfies. Here's a bug on a flower. Let's see how close up we can get to it before it goes out of focus. That's pretty much close up, but now I see it is out of focus already. Cannot get that close, but alright. Doggy sleeping on the concrete. Again, we have to step back because the lens of this camera is just so close up. That makes things a bit difficult. There are some garden shots, but yeah, I cannot show you much of it because this lens is so close up. Is there no zooming out? No, the buttons don't zoom out. Okay. You have to stand away really far. Okay, well, I'm afraid I cannot say I like this camera because I'm probably not even in the frame now. It doesn't have a flip out screen, so I cannot see myself, but usually if the lens is wide enough you can film yourself anyway. I cannot. Tree. There's a tree there. And bugs flying around. There's some house shots, but I'm standing like 20 meters away from it just to fit it in. No, I'm afraid this camera is not gonna do it for me. Alright, gotta go.